Hey loves, it's your girl Chef Joya, and we're getting ready to make these Southern Cabbage Rolls. You asked for it, so let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to start off by blanching our cabbage in some salted water. Next, we're going to saute our veggies, and we're going to use 2 different kinds of vegan meat substitutes. Next, I'm going to add in my salt, pepper, vegan Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and some crushed red pepper. You know your girl got to have all the flavor. Then I went ahead and added some brown sugar and some red wine with some tomato paste. Next, I'm going to be adding some rice that's been cooked in vegan chicken bouillon and salt and pepper. Make sure y'all do that. It is a game changer. Next, we're going to go ahead and pull apart our cabbage. Now, this was a little bit tricky for me, but at the end of the day, it really didn't matter. Once I got this stuffed really nicely, I went ahead and secured it, and it's going to get drowned in the seasoned tomato sauce. So, baby, it don't even matter what it looked like. So, next, I'm going to go ahead and put some olive oil on the bottom of my pan, and then I'll put my sauce in there. Yes, your girl put it in their ball head with no seasoning, but then I went ahead and put my cabbage, and I topped it with a seasoned sauce that I'll give the details below. Topped it with some vegan cheese, put in the oven on 425 degrees for about 30 minutes. And baby, this is what you got. One of the best cabbage rolls that you'll ever have. Make sure you try it out and let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Ciao.